There exist soul ties that are good and bad, just as there are healthy relationships and unhealthy ones. Soul ties can also be described as unholy alliances or perverse relationships. Ungodly soul ties are the enemy's tactic to keep you bound to this world, unfruitful and without fulfillment of your purpose. Yes, soul ties are real, but what are they? How are they formed? This book contains topics and strategies. Soul ties, understanding the danger and its scriptural basis. How are they formed? Are they always demonic? Sexual soul ties. What danger is there in soul ties? How to distinguish between godly and demonic soul ties. Forgiveness and soul ties. Daily breaking of the ungodly soul ties. Reclaiming back your life and freedom. Soul fragmentation and retrieval. Available on Amazon and all leading bookstores all over the world.